Wildlife isn't just our heritage, it's our responsibility. That's why Uttar Pradesh Ecotourism Development Board is nurturing young hearts and curious minds through the Yuva Paryatan Club. Through guided eco trips, these young explorers are discovering the magic of forests, rivers, and wildlife. Not just as visitors, but as guardians of tomorrow. Because awareness today will help in conservation tomorrow. From jungle trails to conservation stories, every trip is shaping future ambassadors of nature.